let's move on to marital status now. And you see, there are two marital status that we in the Luos talk about. It's either the woman or a man. And now I want to differentiate. So if it's a man, you say a se ke ndo, a se kendo. So I am no longer a bachelor. No longer a bachelor. But that means that I'm married, okay? A se kendo. A se kendo. I'm no longer a bachelor, I'm married. A se kendo. Or I'm no longer a spinster if it's a lady. You say I am no longer a spinster. Do people still say spinster? Or I'm living in the past. I am no longer a spinster. O se kenda. You know, I'm no longer available in the market. So I've already been married, okay? A se kendo. A se kendo. I'm already married. Or o se kenda. O se kenda. I am no longer a spinster. I'm not available in the market. I'm a lady. But I'm not available right now because I'm already married or engaged or something, okay? A se kendo. I'm no longer a bachelor. O se kenda. So let's start afresh. You will say Oyaore uru. Nyinga en Atieno. An ja higni apar gi aboro. Ose kenda. So I'm already married. But you can also say pok okenda. Like I'm not yet married. So then now you'd say pok okenda. Pok okenda. Pok okenda. I'm not yet married. I'm single. This is I am single. This might not mean I'm single, but it means that I'm not yet committed in a long-term relationship. That is the best way of saying it. So, pok okenda. I'm not yet committed as a marriage partner to anybody on earth. Okay? Pok akendo. This is for the man, okay? If the man would say pok akendo, and you know now there is controversy about this. Pok akendo. I'm single. This is a female, but this is a male. The male will say, I have not married. No, sorry. This is male, pok akendo. Then the female is pok okenda. So those are two very distinct differences. Pok akendo and pok okenda. Okay? And that means I'm single in both ways. Now, sometimes you're married, especially if it's a lady who has been married for a long time. Then if it's like a mother, you know, like someone who is like 50, 30, 35, 40. So that will say, instead they will say, atedo ne. Atedo ne. That means I'm married to the clan of. Now they have to say which clan. So atedo ne ja game. Atedo ne ja game. So this means I am married to a person who hails from the game clan. So atedo ne ja game. Atedo ne ja game. This is very typical for elderly women, okay? Atedo ne ja game. Atedo ne ja game. I'm married to a person who hails from the game part of Kenya, or game clan, or game whatever. Okay? Or okenda game. So okenda game is like, I'm married, I'm already taken, but the people who took me hail from game. That is the okenda game. Okenda game. Oh, what happened? I told you guys this thing is crazy. I think it lost connectivity. Something has happened. Crazy, crazy, crazy thing. Please let me know that things are okay, because this